Hello. In today's video, we are still understanding and applying the relationship between logs and exponents. Watch the first video if you haven't yet. And just so you notice what we're doing today, we are evaluating logarithms. So like log of 10,000 equals what? And notice that we're doing this without the use of a calculator. All of these can be done on a calculator, and you absolutely should check your work by doing that. But I already know you know how to type, so we're going to practice doing this without. In order to evaluate this log, you would want to think of it as an exponential equation. That's why you would want to watch the first video. Log without a base written means base 10, so just to remind myself that. So what this is saying is 10 to what power gives me 10,000? And that's what I need to find. Remember, a log equals the exponent that you're looking for. So in this case, it's 10 to the 4th power, so that means this is equal to 4. And that's it. If you can verify on the calculator, it'll tell you the same thing. For number 2, we've got 2 to what power gives you 1/8. You notice I'm writing this out here. In the long run, you should be able to do this in your head by just like looking at that and reading it like this in your head. So in this case, I know 2 to the 3rd power is 8, but this obviously doesn't say 8. And then you hopefully remember your exponent rules, that negative exponents mean reciprocal. So if 2 to the 3rd is 8, then 2 to the negative 3rd is 1/8. So the answer to this is -3. Next one, we've got 16 to some power gives you 2. So I don't know what the power is yet, but I'll figure it out. And then again, this is kind of helpful to know some properties of just some numerical properties. So I don't know what 16 to what power gives me 2, but I do know that 2 to the 4th gives me 16, right? So if you do 2 times itself 4 times, that gives you 16. Now this is going the exact opposite. So based on one of the objectives we learned last unit, that reciprocal is what would give me 2 in this case. So this comes out to be 1/4. 2 to the 4th is 16, therefore 16 to the 1/4 is 2. Finally, for the last one, we've got something with variables. Trust me, it's not as bad as it looks. So we're going to write f to the 3rd to some power is equal to f to the 33rd. Sorry, I'm a little out of space. Now, again, you probably just know your exponent rules is that these two things would multiply to each other. So whatever that is must multiply to 3 to give you 33, which means it's 11. Again, you can verify all these on the calculator. And for now, show a little bit of work to make sure that we know that you know how to do this.